Here is the bird. Video evidence that there is a pet bird in our front yard.
Okay. We have Cosmic's cage.
Yeah. Bro, he do be Where?
Behind you. No, it didn't come near us.
Oh.
I was seeing if it was another parrot.
Oh, I thought you said oh no as in oh dear.
No, it was, another, a wild bird.
Got it. No! No! Where's it going? So close. Where is it? Is it? Oh, there it is.
Our friend had a bird.
There it is.
My friend's bird flew away and never came back.
Wrap.
What
in the world are you doing, you stupid bird?
What's his name?
He kind of looks like Anthony and Kaylee. You two are mine. You get over
No, we didn't. It's in the tree. It's just vibing in the tree. It's in the tree.
Oh, there it is. It was bundling in.
It is, yeah.
Name.
We have no clue.
Yeah, we don't even know who owns it.
It just turned up. I didn't even know until Daphne came and got me and said we were chasing a bird around.
Liberty gibbets.
Someone's bird and they don't know whose bird it is.
Yep.
Yeah. We're trying to get it down so we can register it to a vet.
He's just like some y'all. That's gonna be hard.
Yeah.
Try-
All we need to do is get in the cage.
Try rattling the seed thing. That worked last time.
And that's not him. Nope.
Last time there wasn't a dozen kids.
Yeah, that's a factor. Oh, he made a noise. Oh. He's moving. Where are you?
When did he come?
Oh, wait. No.
Bird brain.
Idiot, you fool. You buffoon. Oh my god. Maybe grab a stick or I guess a hand to let him onto.
Yeah, good luck. Hey, Addie. They're not going to show us door.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought they want to see the bird.
I'm taking a video.
He said, no, just give me the apple.
Oh my god.
You hear him clicking? Yeah, he's calling you.
He took the apple!
Give me the apple. No, the apple.
You can't eat the apple!
The apple is mine.
He's like, all right.
Look, he's got one of those balls like, no, I'm not like
Be quiet, everyone.
If you can get over them, move the top.
Okay.
That's probably the tallest.
Get on the man's finger! There's a stick right there.
It's just like, yummy. Do you think it's strong enough to bite the
No.
It's not because
If you can fry the carrot up in half, it can bite your finger.
Can you please get on the stick? Oh, it has been grabbed.
I was gonna say I only have one hand.
Yeah. They don't tend to like it.
Keep it down.
Right. You see how we have that band on him?
Yeah.
If we can get a hold of a vet or someone, those bands are registered
Yeah.
with that number. As far as stuff to put down, if you just have some newspaper or something to put to soften it.
We're being quiet so we don't scare the bird.
Yeah.
Poor guy.
Yeah, rabbits do that.
Can't
Brain
live.
small.
He didn't. His wings aren't.
No
they're outgrown,
thoughts,
but they're
head
fine,
empty.
so-
I was gonna say he flew.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Aren't they pretty? I guess we'll be calling a vet tomorrow.
Yep.
I was gonna say you could put them.
No, this flew in our backyard.
Yeah.
And a bush of water.
This is Cosmic's cage. This is our rabbit cage.
Anymore because mom can't stand to keep animals in cages.
But I think in this case, there's a good reason to keep this animal in a cage.
Yeah.
Bird baby. Yeah, just give him some water. Can he drink out? A bowl, yeah. He can drink out of a bowl. If you
found that if you give any bird something to climb, they will climb it. No matter what it is.
Dumb bird, idiot boy.
Right.
Boy.
Exactly. Dumb bird
They're
idiot.
probably thinking about that at a few
Boy.
minutes right
Just making sure that he can't squeeze through.
now.
If I try.
Yeah.
He's like, I'm gonna eat you all.
Yeah.
Don't stick your finger in. If you are, there's a good chance you go bit.
Well, you're safer here, believe it or not. You've been rescued by Frederick Woods.
Yep.